When we talk about ruling the sky, two nations immediately come to mind: the United States and Israel. Both are known for their air power, but how they use it is very different. The United States' global reach. The U.S. Air Force is the largest and most powerful in history. F-22, Raptors, and F-35 Lightning IIs give it unmatched stealth. B-2 and B-21 bombers can cross oceans undetected, and fleets of drones like the MQ-9 Reaper provide round-the-clock surveillance and precision strikes. The U.S. doesn't just defend its borders, it projects power across the world. In Afghanistan, drones hunted Taliban leaders for 2 decades. In Syria and Iraq, American jets and helicopters took out ISIS strongholds. From the deserts of the Middle East to the mountains of Eastern Europe, the U.S. has proven it can strike anywhere, anytime. And helicopters? America's are legendary. Apache gunships shredding targets with Hellfire missiles. Blackhawks inserting special forces behind enemy lines. Chinooks carrying troops and supplies into combat zones. This combination of air dominance, transport, and precision gives the U.S. global reach that no one else can match. Israel, precision and survival. Now let's look at Israel, a country smaller than New Jersey, yet home to one of the most battle-tested air forces in the world. Israeli jets are constantly on high alert. Their F-35I Adir is a stealth fighter, custom-built with Israeli weapons and software. It isn't just for show. It's already been used in real combat. In Syria, Israeli fighters have struck Iranian weapons convoys. In Lebanon, they've hit Hezbollah positions. And deep inside Iran, Israel has carried out daring air operations that most countries wouldn't even attempt. But Israel's strength isn't just its jets, it's drones. Israel was one of the first nations to perfect military drone technology. Today, Israeli drones aren't just used at home. They're exported worldwide. These UAVs handle surveillance, intelligence, and even combat strikes with pinpoint accuracy. And helicopters? Israel runs them differently. Their Apache gunships are loaded with Israeli-made targeting systems, making them even deadlier than the standard model. Every machine is customized, every pilot battle-hardened. For Israel, air power isn't about projecting force across the globe. It's about survival. Every mission is real combat. Every strike is life or death. Who rules the sky? So, who rules the sky? If we're talking raw power, the answer is clear: the United States. No other country can launch as many aircraft, as far, or as fast. America dominates the skies worldwide. But if we're talking about precision, innovation, and surviving in one of the most hostile regions on Earth, Israel is unmatched. The U.S. rules the skies everywhere. Israel makes sure it rules the skies at home, and it does so with surgical precision. 2 different strategies, 2 different missions, 1 shared truth. When it comes to ruling the sky, these 2 nations are in a league of their own.